Hello and welcome to Mr. Tech. Today we've got a bunch of wood splitting tools that blend creativity with practicality, designed for ease of use, smoke-free, and super efficient. Let's dive into today's video and see what cool stuff we've got. For the first time, I witnessed a truly unique and meaningful invention, a horse walking on a treadmill. Its movement is stored in a flywheel, generating power to split wood, turning each step into a useful energy source. This innovation not only allows the horse to move naturally, but also helps protect the environment and reduce pollution. A smart, sustainable, and creative solution. Let's talk efficiency. What if you had a machine that could cut through wood like a knife through butter? Meet the powerhouse designed from a timber truck. Its massive saw and relentless power make even the toughest jobs look easy. Tell me, how much time would you save with a machine that never backs down? Every time you skip half a turn on this wood splitter, you're not just wasting time, you're increasing the risk of an accident. A poorly optimized blade means more force is required, leading to potential slips or mechanical stress. Upgrading the blade design isn't just about efficiency, it's about safety. Don't let a small flaw become a big problem.
Трошки сучкувати.
A DIY sawmill rolling on old car wheels, slicing through logs like butter. It's the kind of hands-on engineering that makes you stop and stare. The rhythmic sound of cutting wood, the smell of fresh sawdust in the air, it's addictive. Who needs a factory when you can build a powerhouse like this right where you need it?
Всем спасибо.
The accuracy and stability of this homemade saw are seriously impressive. DIY machines usually struggle with vibrations, uneven cuts, or mechanical issues, but this one goes beyond expectations. The level of automation shows careful calibration and smart design, proving a high level of precision and expertise. The Conical wood splitter is the solution you've been looking for. It reduces labor, increases output, and eliminates the frustration of stuck logs. Designed for simplicity and efficiency, it transforms a time-consuming task into a seamless process. If firewood prep has been a hassle, it's time to upgrade. This homemade circular saw changes everything. Designed specifically for retirees, it's easy to use, safe, and turns woodworking into a peaceful pastime. No need to worry about complex machinery, Just enjoy the satisfaction of crafting with your own hands. Designed for serious woodworkers, this log splitter combines steady power with smart engineering. The integrated log lifter ensures safe, hassle-free operation, making it ideal for handling large, heavy logs without risk. While it prioritizes control over speed, its robust construction guarantees long-term performance. What if I told you that a log splitter could make someone smile? Not just because it works well, but because of one small yet fascinating detail. This homemade machine, upgraded with a gear reducer, makes splitting firewood a breeze. With just a pull of the lever, you can watch each log split cleanly. No more sore arms or wasted time. A DIY wood splitter powered by springs, no electricity needed, just pure mechanical ingenuity. Using a high-tension spring, it delivers controlled force for both safety and efficiency. Unlike engine-powered splitters, this solution requires no fuel or maintenance, making it a sustainable and cost-effective way to process wood.
Розкажу так, зробив, метал тільки наклав.
Ever wondered what goes into making top-tier cedar shingles? It all starts with premium cedar logs, carefully selected for durability and resilience. These logs are then split under immense pressure, ensuring a consistent grain that enhances longevity. Afterward, they're precisely shaved down to the perfect thickness, creating a smooth yet naturally textured surface. This isn't just a wood chipper, it's a powerhouse. Watch in awe as this beast devours branches, logs, and wood waste, transforming them into a massive 14 cubic meters of free firewood every hour. Power, efficiency, and savings, all in one machine. Whether you run a farm, a workshop, or just want to slash heating costs this season, this machine is your ultimate solution. Engineered with precision, this homemade firewood splitter boasts a robust motor and a high-speed splitting mechanism. Unlike traditional manual methods, it ensures consistent cuts, reducing strain and increasing output. Whether for home heating or commercial use, This machine optimizes efficiency, saving both time and energy. This is a handmade vertical log splitter that he built himself. It's an absolute beast, capable of splitting wood of various sizes effortlessly. Just clear any obstructions at the edges, and it powers through like a pro. The craftsmanship and ingenuity behind this machine are incredible. It's not just functional, but a true showcase of skill and innovation. Split firewood the smart and easy way with a manual log splitter. It's a relaxing way to get ready for winter while stocking up on firewood.
Moottorin yläpuolella sitten pyörii tämmönen, tää oli muistele.
This 70-centimeter flywheel and dual-axe system, powered by a 2.2 kilowatt motor, is proof that innovation knows no limits. Sure, it might not be the fastest machine out there, but that's part of the journey, modifying, tweaking, and perfecting. Who wouldn't love the thrill of improving their own invention? He built a cross-cut saw by hand. Pretty impressive, right? But here's the real game changer. Adding a pulley made on a lathe will significantly improve accuracy and durability. If you're using it for tires, consider using a rim. They're designed to be balanced and handle stress better. The Han HFP 150 is a powerful log processing attachment that seamlessly integrates with loaders, giving a single operator full control from the cab. It picks up, cuts, and splits logs effortlessly, bringing efficiency and convenience to firewood production like never before. No need for massive industrial machines. This is the perfect balance of power and practicality. He searched far and wide for the perfect saw, but this was the machine he truly needed. A relic from 1990, yet as tough as a battleship. The Ruston and Hornsby 9.5 horsepower engine roared at 1,400 RPM, driving a 24-inch blade with unstoppable force. Why waste time with fragile tools when you can have a machine built to last? Two people, one tool, and an unpredictable balance of force. What could go wrong? Plenty. If one person pulls too aggressively, the blade could slip, sending jagged metal dangerously close to fingers or even limbs. The lack of safety mechanisms makes every cut a gamble. The efficiency of this homemade box saw is undeniable. Built with precision, this machine delivers clean, straight cuts while maintaining stability. The design minimizes vibration, ensuring accuracy even during prolonged use. From blade selection to motor power, every element has been carefully considered. Imagine a compact yet powerful machine, crafted from an old washing machine motor, effortlessly splitting wood with just 40 watts of energy. The conical design, enhanced by a flywheel, transforms discarded parts into an ingenious solution for small-scale wood processing. Efficiency meets resourcefulness, turning everyday scraps into something remarkable. Engineered with precision, our foot-operated log splitter maximizes leverage, reducing strain on your back and arms. Built for durability, it ensures consistent performance while keeping safety at the forefront. Our DIY firewood processor is built for serious woodworkers and homeowners who need power and precision. Designed to handle long, thick logs, this machine cuts through them effortlessly, saving you hours of backbreaking labor. Whether you're preparing firewood for the winter or running a small wood processing business, this machine delivers consistent results with minimal effort. It's truly mesmerizing to witness the old tilted shingle crusher in action, a relic of time, standing as a testament to engineering endurance. The sight of its gears turning, aged but determined, is like watching history unfold before your eyes. Even more fascinating is the fact that there are still skilled individuals who not only operate these machines, but also cherish them, preserving a legacy that refuses to be forgotten. This homemade log splitter is a true display of ingenuity, but that wedge seems a bit small for maximum efficiency. A larger, sturdier wedge could improve splitting power, making tough logs crack with ease. A simple upgrade could turn this DIY machine into a powerhouse. Engineered for performance, this DIY wood splitter features an 8-ton hydraulic system and a robust 3-kilowatt motor, delivering smooth, effortless log splitting. Designed with a log holder, it ensures optimal safety and precision. Whether for home or small-scale commercial use, it provides reliability and power, reducing manual labor significantly. The truth is, working with big, sharp saws is no joke. You might think, I've done this 100 times, no problem. But all it takes is one mistake, one moment of distraction. Work smart, because nothing slows you down more than getting hurt. Maintain a firm grip, position the saw at the correct angle, and let the blade do the work. Forcing it can cause dangerous kickback. Always wear protective gear and ensure your saw is sharp. With the right approach, you'll achieve clean, safe cuts every time, minimizing damage to the tree. Watch closely as it tackles tough logs like a pro. With each pass, it turns rugged wood into neat chips, proving that DIY engineering can be seriously powerful. This homemade wood processor does exactly that. With a built-in saw and splitter, it turns back-breaking labor into an effortless task. No more endless swinging of an axe. Just load the wood, let the machine do the work, and watch as your pile grows. But be smart. Keep your hands clear of the spinning axe wheel. This concludes our exploration of the intriguing world of homemade machines. We encourage you to share your feedback in the comments section and subscribe to our channel for future updates.